Happy Halloween, Greenridge. That's right, it's Halloween week, and that's a week where we celebrate all things spooky and scary. And you want to know what makes this werewolf really scared? Not having a business plan for 2026. Ooh, you got that right. Good news for you guys, though. Our Director of Agent Development, Michael Courtright, is hosting 4 different business planning sessions in the next 2 weeks. 2 at the Kentwood office, 1 in Holland, 1 in Muskegon. The dates and the information and registration link are in place. On top of that, this year it is a 3-hour class that gets you 3 hours of con ed. So that is more of a treat than a trick. So please make sure you register for these planning sessions so that you can walk out with a plan for 2026 and how you're going to be successful. Have a happy Halloween!